Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the SSD interface and slot so you avoid mismatches because an M.2 NVMe will not fit a SATA port. Once done, shut down, unplug power, and ground yourself to prevent ESD damage. Make the physical install, slide M.2 into its socket and secure the screw or attach SATA data plus power cables. Power on, enter BIOS to verify the drive appears. This step proves the hardware connection before any software changes and prevents wasted formatting later. Now you initialize the new SSD so the OS can use it. Open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac. Choose GPT for modern UEFI systems because it supports large disks and more partitions. Use MBR only for legacy compatibility. Create one or multiple partitions based on purpose. Example, a 250 GB partition for programs and the rest for media, and then format the partitions. Pick NTFS for Windows, apps for newer Macs, and assign a drive. Finish by optimizing and verifying performance so you get longevity and speed. Enable trim in your operating system because it maintains SSD performance over time, and make sure automatic disk defragmentation is disabled, as that causes unnecessary write wear. Move Hi-I/O apps or games to the SSD, change install paths, and run a quick benchmark to confirm expected throughput. If the drive has issues, reseat cables, update drive firmware, and confirm BIOS NVMe settings. These fixes solve most recognition or speed problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.